everybody, it's Hailey, and today I'm going to be making a chocolate chip cookie recipe that I found on TikTok. And when I searched chocolate chip cookies, this was one of the first ones that came up. So it's very popular, and I'm gonna be trying it to see if it's really good. So anyways, let's get started. So first, in a large bowl, I have 1 cup of melted butter, and then I'm gonna add 1.5 cups of brown sugar and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. I also think this recipe is gonna be really good because it's got more brown sugar than white sugar, and I really love brown sugar. And then we're gonna beat that together. Alright, then we're gonna add 2 eggs, 1 at a time. So I'm gonna add my first egg. I'm gonna whisk that in. Alright, once that's well combined, then you're gonna add the second egg, 2 tablespoons of milk, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Always the best part. And we're gonna mix that all together. Oh my goodness, this already smells so good. Okay, then you're going to switch to a spatula or a spoon, and we're gonna add in 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Normally, I would always mix together my dry ingredients in a separate bowl, but in the video, she just threw them all in. So that's what I'm gonna do. Maybe I'll like mix them a little bit on top. That's not helping. Just stir in all of that flour, and you're going to see a beautiful cookie dough form. Then add 8 ounces of chocolate chips. Alright, so now I'm ready to bake these cookies. And I'm going to scoop them out using a medium-sized cookie scoop. This is a number 24. I mean, but really you can make your cookies any size you want. And then I'm just gonna put that on the baking sheet. And then I'm gonna top it with a few extra chocolate chips, which is what the video says to do. And actually she uses chocolate chunks, but I only have chocolate chips, so I'm working with what I have. Okay, and now I'm ready to bake these. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to bake these for about 12 minutes. Ooh. Here are the cookies straight out of the oven. They look so delicious, and then to finish them off, we're just gonna sprinkle some flaky salt on top. And voila! All of the cookies are done. These, I baked a little bit too long, but these look delicious. So let's try them. Ooh, fresh out of the oven. So gooey. Okay, gonna try it. These cookies are super chocolatey and oh my gosh, and super soft, and they are delicious. Let me know if there are any other recipes that you want me to test in the comments. I want to try some crazy ones. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you know every time that I post a new video. Thank you so much to everybody who has subscribed recently or like before that, because we're almost at 2,000 subscribers now, which is incredible. And I will see you next time. Bye.